How's it? Welcome to Bazzas Garage. As you can see, I'm covered in crap because basically I've been rummaging around in the back of the garage and I have pulled out the old lawnmower, which I have been building for quite a number of years. Finishing the cooler racer, it's time to get into a new project at home. So also, I actually just suddenly thought I've bought myself a flash welder just to make life so much easier for me at home. Really awesome. Recommend anybody getting a welder. Very good, made life much easier at home. So I'll just run you through where we're at with this because obviously you wouldn't have seen this before. So this is my new racing lawnmower. It's going to run a single cylinder engine. I've just got a mock-up one over there at the moment. It's going to be a 31 cubic inch engine. And as you can see in the front, the way that I've made the front is I've got my my Ackerman sorted here through to the rear wheel, so I've got the correct steering. I've used hem joints top and bottom to allow me to get some movement for caster camber. The KPI is built into it so that when we turn the chassis we're going to have the inside wheel unloading. And I've taken out a lot of the camber this time. The last mower I had lots of camber. I don't want to have as much camber this time, but it is adjustable so I can put it in once I've done it. So what I've been working on this weekend is made this little pedal here for the clutch. So I've cut out the little area and put a clutch pedal in here. This steering wheel is actually an old Subaru steering column that I modified. So it's got a Mower wheel. And then if I lift this up onto its back here. So this is what I've been working on, is the clutch system. So you can see that you want to make sure that you know which way your arrow's going for your direction of travel, because this is the tight side and obviously you want to have your clutch tensioner on the loose side. So the way it works is the clutch pedal, which is attached to this, I haven't welded this up yet, but this will be welded onto here with a link rod. Then what will happen is the spring here will come down onto an adjuster. So if I just hook that onto there, so this is adjustable now, and you can see that the belt has got a nice straight line, and then we've got the tensioner through here. Now you can see we've got a good 50% on the front pulley and a pretty good 50% on the rear pulley, so therefore we shouldn't get any belt slippage. Adjustable for tension, and then once this is welded onto here we'll be able to just pull on this and it will loosen the belt. So yeah, that's basically where we're at the moment. First installment of this particular model, and as you can see it's pretty rusty, it's been around for a long time. We're using the complete chassis pan chassis off the mower that was originally there, and obviously we've chopped it out, put a new axle in the front. Yeah, other than that we're trying to run as much of the mower stuff as we can, on some bits and pieces. So yeah, that's about it for this time, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers!